What's up YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, your girl is applying a lace frontal wig for the first time. I was kind of feeling myself and I thought I was looking real cute, but to be honest, the wig could have been applied way better. But we gonna get into all of that in today's video. Okay, so this wig is from Eunice Hair or Eunice Hair, and the wig comes in this box. It also comes with this elastic band that you can attach to the wig, a wig cap, and of course the wig itself. Now this wig is a lace frontal wig. It is their body wave hair in 20 inches and the frontal is 13 by 4 inches. The hair is really pretty and it was really soft. Like, I was really liking how the hair was feeling. I wasn't getting no shedding. It had a lot of nice like bounce and movement to it, so it was very nice. The wig also comes with 2 combs along the side. It has lace in the front, lace in the back, and it also has adjustable straps in the back as well. And as you can see, the hair kind of comes pre-plucked, but I should have plucked it way more because I didn't pluck it any more than how it came. So it does come pre-plucked, and it also comes with some baby hairs, which I struggled to finesse, but y'all gonna see that. So first thing I'm doing is applying the wig cap that the hair came with. I am not doing the bald cap method because I'm not somebody who likes to wear my wigs for very long. Like, I want to be able to put it on and take it off the same day. So I'm not doing the bald cap method. I was just trying to do like the regular, I don't even know what the method is called, but I was just trying to do the regular schmegular. And so I put the wig cap on, and now I'm going to kind of tint the wig cap because obviously it's too late for my skin. So I'm just taking some of my face powder and applying that to the wig cap. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the wig, but first what I'm going to do is cut off the lace in the back. My assumption is that the lace is there in the back so that you can like pull the hair up and it has like a flawless lace look, but I am not somebody who likes to catch up their hair into one, especially when wearing a wig. So I'm cutting that right off. So this is what the hair is looking like. It is so pretty. I love a body wave texture, you guys. Like, body wave is definitely one of my favorite textures because it's just a nice natural wave look, you know. Like, I love body wave hair. And so before I apply the wig, I am going to just put on the adjustable straps and make it nice and snug, and then we're gonna slide the wig on, you guys. So you guys can see that the hair was kind of pre-plucked. I should have went back and plucked it a lot more, but I didn't. And you can see those baby hairs in the front, which, ooh, y'all gonna see your girl struggled to finesse. Ugh, it was so difficult. So here I'm kind of just looking at the placement of the lace and thinking about how I'm gonna cut it and how I'm gonna, you know, apply this wig, what I'm gonna do. So first thing I tried to do was part the hair, which was kind of a struggle for me. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of difficult. Okay, and I parted the hair and I didn't even end up parting it straight on my face anyways. Like, you guys will see after, it was never straight. It was kind of off to the side, so I do end up going back and fixing it later on in the video. But right now I'm just trying to figure out where I want my parting. And if you guys look really closely, you can actually see where the lace, not where the lace is, where the wig cap is, but not to worry, we fixed that line of demarcation after. So to set my part, I sprayed the hair with water, and I'm using the barrel from my curling wand to kind of just flatten the hair out. Of course, I see a lot of people using like a hot comb to do this part, but I don't have a hot comb, so I'm just using good old water and my curling wand barrel. And now I'm just brushing out the hair to get a feel for it, and I'm just looking like how it's gonna look as a middle part, because I was trying to figure out, do I want a side part, do I want a middle part? But your girl went with the middle part because she thought she looked cute or whatever. So now I'm just making some cuts in the lace so that I can apply the wig in sections. I glued down the wig in the middle and then on the side, so I just made 2 slits so that I can apply them in sections. And now I'm just pushing the lace back a little bit so I can start to use the glue to glue down the wig. And y'all, this is where I messed up really heavy, because first of all, do not be using got to be spray, gel, freezing spray, whatever it is, when you have makeup on your forehead. I should have done this while I wasn't wearing any makeup, or at least taken the makeup off of my forehead, because everything turned into a big mess after, and y'all are gonna see it. But anyways, I am just spraying some got to be freezing spray on my hairline and trying to dry it a little bit with my blow dryer and waiting for it to get tacky before I glue it down. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the got to be freezing spray works really well to hold down your lace, but I just applied way too much and applied too far down onto my forehead. Like, was I trying to glue the wig down on my eyebrows or what? Because why did I put so much got to be spray? Like, I used way too much spray, you guys. And to be honest, I should have cut my lace off before I glued it down. But you know, I thought I knew what I was doing. Although I did a lot of research on how to apply wigs, I see so many people have different like methods and routines, and like, you know, everybody has their own like tutorial on how they do it. So there are some people who cut their lace off first and some people who cut their lace off after. So I said, let me cut my lace off after, which was not a good idea. I would highly recommend you cut your lace first before gluing it down. But you know, lesson learned. So yeah, I'm just gluing down each section of the lace using the end of my edge brush or edge comb, whatever you use, whatever this is called, whatever you use to do your edges. I'm using the end of that to just make sure that the lace is sticking down. So yeah. And as you guys can see, like, you can still see my hairline underneath the lace, which is a big no-no. I should have brought the wig down way further, like way further. But in my head, like, I don't really have a big forehead, so I didn't want to bring it down too far for me to no longer have a forehead. Like, I didn't want to have like a two head, you know, I want to have a forehead. So I was kind of scared to bring it down too far, but I clearly didn't bring it down far enough. So now is the fun part, and this is where your girl messed up, okay? Because it turns into such a mess, you guys, trying to lift up the lace to cut it. Y'all, I struggled at this part. Like, look at my forehead, look at all the dry free spray, like y'all, I struggled. But anyways, I'm just cutting off the lace at this point, trying my best not to cut my forehead or cut too much of the lace off, not trying to cut into the actual wig, just trying to make sure I'm staying on the lace. And because I had sprayed so much of the freezing spray, a lot of the lace was glued down. Like, only the lace at the hairline should have been glued down, but practically the whole lace was glued down to my forehead. So I had to kind of like lift it off of my forehead, and then it left that really weird dry residue from my makeup on the lace. And y'all, don't do this in makeup, okay? Take my little advice and wipe your makeup off before you do this, or do your makeup after you apply your wig, because I struggled. And then here I'm trying to cut off like where my ears are, because the lace goes over your ear, so you do have to kind of cut out where your ear is. And I honestly felt like I cut off too much. Like, I could have left a little bit more of the lace down towards like where my sideburns are, but whatever, it's not a big deal. I'm not somebody who really wears my hair pushed back. I usually just wear my hair down, so all this part gets covered in the end. But yeah, I decided to put down the scissors, and I started to use like an eyebrow razor to take the lace off, because your girl was struggling with the scissors. So yeah, I'm just removing all of the lace from the wig. But at this point I realized like I need too much of my hair showing, like my edges underneath, too much of it is showing, and I should have brought the wig further down. So I pretty much had to re-glue this side of the wig because I needed to bring it further down, because all of my edges were out and that is not cute. So I pretty much end up re-gluing this section down. After I cut out the little ear section, I did re-glue this with the freezing spray. So as you guys can see, I tried to bring the wig down a little bit further just so it would cover, you know, more of my edges up. But in general, the whole wig should have just been applied a little bit lower down on my forehead, because you can see a little bit of my edges on the other side. So that was kind of just my mistake. I should have brought this down way lower down onto my forehead, but now I know for the next time that I need to bring it down lower. So this is what we are looking like currently. I got all of the hair glued down, and I tried to do a little 1-2 with the baby hairs. You guys, I do not know how to do baby hairs. I've never known how to do baby hairs on my natural hair. Like, I have the most unruly edges. Like, my natural hair is just so, it's just too thick, and like no edge controllers ever work, so I never do my own edges. And so I tried to do a little thing with the baby hairs, but it did not work out. Like, you guys see, like, I did some baby hairs, but I eventually just combed them back up because they just weren't looking cute. So at this point in time, I'm trying to fix my part. It still is a little bit off, but you know, whatever. So I'm just fixing it up with more water and my curling wand barrel. And as you can see, I'm just trying to perfect my parting there, trying to make it super straight and make sure I get all the way to the end. But I really struggled, and these stupid little baby hair pieces were just bothering me. So I just brushed them back up because I just couldn't be bothered with it anymore. So I scrapped the baby hairs. All right, so now I'm trying to customize my parting a little bit. It's a little bit too thin for me, and I like a wider part. So I'm just going in and tweezing some of the hairs in the part, making it look a little bit more natural. And you guys can still see the line of demarcation where my wig cap is, but not to worry, because I go back in and I fix that. And I fix that with some concealer, which you guys will see shortly. So here I am with the concealer, and this concealer is about 1 shade lighter than my skin tone, because your scalp is a little bit lighter than your skin tone. So I just used that concealer on my parting, and now I'm just trying to style the hair a little bit, put a little bit more curls in it. I like the body wave, like I love the natural state of the hair, so I didn't want any like super uniformed curls or defined curls. I just wanted a loose curl wave look in the hair. So I'm only putting the curling wand to certain sections of the hair, not the whole thing. I just want the curls to, you know, look a little cute. So here is what the hair is looking like. I mean, I don't think it looks horrible. It looks okay, but it definitely could have looked way better, because I see some people slay their frontals and it looks super natural, and I don't feel like mine looks like really good. Like, I would give myself a 60%, because like it looks okay, but like I could have done way better. Like, first of all, I should have brought the wig further down onto my forehead. First things first. And I feel like I could have flattened out the top a little bit more too, because as you can see on my left side, it does look a little bit high, but you know, it's whatever. I think I still look kind of cute, and I was definitely feeling myself. Like, your girl is feeling herself. She looking so cute. She did that. She applied her first lace frontal. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think. Do you think I did a good job? What kind of grade would you guys give me for applying my first lace frontal? I would give myself 60%, but you know, let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.